For you I Ching lovers out there, do you want to learn about how the nature of the hexagram affects the divination? Here is the hexagram. And you always build it from the bottom up, like this, when you throw the coins or do the arrow stalks. And the easiest way to think about it is through time. You start here at the beginning, then you have a official in the government, then a transition to becoming a minister, then the ruler, then the end, is one way to think of it as the timeline going upward. Also, you can see it as these bottom two lines being of the earth, these two lines being the world of humans, and then these two lines being the heavens. One thing to note is when I say correct in, there is an idea that for each of these positions there is a quote-unquote correct energy that should be there. And so you'll have the yang line here, a yin line here. This alternation, these are the correct spots. And it's not always true that it's bad if you have an opposite energy there. But when you look at how that interacts with the energies around it, it can be influential. Then the last part that to me is really fascinating is the more traditional way of viewing the structure, which is that these two middle lines are the ruler of the hexagram and give you the greatest answer to what it is you're talking about. Then these two outer lines are the officials, or they might also be called the sons or the wives, and they help to influence what's happening here in the middle. And then at the very beginning is the energy that has not yet entered, and at the end is the sage. That's the energy that is leaving. So just like a child isn't really in the affairs of humans yet, and the sage is leaving them. So that is how the structure of the hexagram is ruled in various ways.